Hi, and welcome to this look at a 6-mark applied organic unknowns identification question. So it doesn't give too much away at first glance, but if we work through it carefully, we can see where we can pick up clues. So for example, compound B is oxidized to form a ketone. It already contains an oxygen, so that would suggest strongly that it's a secondary alcohol. You've got some data that allows you to work out its molar mass, which is one of the things they want you to do. So rearranging moles equals mass over mR, so the molar mass is the subject, that gives us 74 grams per mole. So taking the OH part of that, we've already worked out as a secondary alcohol. The OH part, the hydroxyl group, is 17 grams per mole. So subtracting that from 74 grams per mole gives 57 grams per mole, which is C4H9 exactly. So knowing it's a secondary alcohol, that would suggest that we're working with butan-2-ol. So they want you to give the structures of compounds B, C, D, E, and F. So it tells you that compound B reacts with compound D, which is C3H6O2, in the presence of an acid catalyst to form two compounds E and F. So anything with two oxygens, which is organic-based, is highly likely to either be a carboxylic acid or an ester itself. Now, alcohols and carboxylic acids react to make esters, and they need an acid catalyst to do so. And when they do that, they also produce water. So that means that compound D is likely to be a carboxylic acid, compound E is likely to be our ester, and compound F is likely to be our H2O. So, looking at compound D again, you can see that it's got 3 carbons. So 3 carbons would mean that it's going to be propanoic acid. So that means that our ester is going to be 2-butyl propanoate, and our compound F is going to be water. Now E or F could be the other way around, couldn't they? They could have F as the ester and E as the water. Either would be acceptable in this question. Okay, hopefully this has been a useful look at how to take this question apart and put it back together again. As always, thanks for listening. Until next time, see you soon.